Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Telegram. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have already logged into the Telegram application, then you might notice that you are not asked to enter or set your password, but instead you will be sent a login code to your phone in order to log into your account. But if you want the ease or the flexibility of having your password, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security, and now you will have the option to enable passcode lock. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can tap on Enable Passcode if you don't have it already. You will now be asked to create a 4-digit passcode for your Telegram app. Type in your desired passcode and you will be asked to type it once again for confirmation. Once you type in your password for the second time, you will now see that the passcode lock has been enabled. You can also allow the option to unlock with fingerprint if you wish to do so. If you wish to change your passcode at any time, you can find the Change Passcode option within the passcode lock settings. You can also turn it off at any time that you wish by tapping on Turn Passcode Off. And there you have it. That is how you can change your password on the Telegram application if you wish to do so. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.